This is a brief overview of the Honeywell 3.5 cubic feet chest freezer. The model is H35CFW. It's a stand-up chest freezer, 3.5 cubic feet. It is super lightweight. I mean, you can carry it by yourself. It's very easy to move around. It's pretty roomy inside. It takes some figuring out how to stack different foods to make sure they are available as needed. The basket is removable. And estimated yearly cost is $23, so it's very energy efficient. 3.5 feet there. On the bottom is a drainage tube for easy cleaning and defrosting. The outlet is right here. It can be opened like so, and just for easy draining. The freezer has 2 leveling legs on one side, so with the use of those two, it will be easy to make it level. Has setting that goes from minimum to max and can be turned off this way. Now it stopped humming. Now I'm turning it back on. It is very quiet. Barely to be heard in the background. Overall, it's a nice little compact freezer that is quiet, efficient, and with plenty of storage. It did arrive a little banged up, but it's not going to affect the function. Overall, nice little addition for extra storage of frozen food.